Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Makeover, and today we are doing another squishy makeover video. I just want to say that these videos are actually inspired by Mariah Elizabeth. Go check out her channel. She does so many cool DIYs over there. And some quick disclaimers is go and subscribe to my vlog channel at Mason Votes on YouTube. And yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say. Let's get on with this video. So, today's squishy makeover is actually going to be this like macaroon and this like fox cat. So what I am doing first is I am actually gluing together the macaroon because it actually broke in half because I've had it for like 2 years. You guys probably recognize that from my first ever squishy unboxing video. So I'm just gluing it together with slick fabric paint, and yeah, I just put rubber bands like to make sure that it doesn't move. So I'm just taking them off right now, and I'm actually going to be using that same slick fabric paint in like right on the right where I glue it together, because I wanted it to look like a frosting and to just so I didn't want it to actually like break apart, you know? So yeah. Also, yeah, I am actually really surprised that like I still have this squishy, because it is probably like at least 3 or 4 years old. I got it in the squishy box on like opening up a couple years ago. Yeah, go check out that video. Just saying. So, now we are going to be, this is not a tutorial, guys, so, I'm sorry. But I'm just taking that little, like, fox cat, and I found where I wanted to put it, so I'm gonna just glue it, right there in a little while, once some of it is finished. So, I just wanted to make sure it was all good before I started, like, hammering away at everything and making it the way I want it to look so I don't wreck it. So I'm actually right now going to be taking scissors, I believe, right now. And I'm actually going to be cutting off the ears. So let me try. It didn't work. So I'm actually using, I actually am going to be using, like more sharper scissors. It is these like gray ones. Yeah, they're just a little sharper, I think, because they're more like tearing, like they help tear stuff out more. So I'm actually just cutting off the ears because I don't know, but I want to make this squishy look more like a cat, like my cat, and I feel like I think it was the squishy to begin with was supposed to be like a fox or raccoon or something. Yeah, so cute. I actually got this one at the dollar store a couple months ago, but it's like the ears were like so like not where I wanted them. So I'm actually going to be cutting the ears off, which as you guys probably saw, and I'm just smoothing out the area so that it's not rigid and hard. And now, once again, I am taking that slick fabric paint and just putting that over top of where the ears were so that I can smooth it out so it's a very very like clean cut, so it looks like once I'm finished that I never even cut them off to remove them and to change them and to put them in a position that I like them better. So yeah. BTW, make sure that you know that if you use a paintbrush to put on that slick fabric paint or anything like that, it will ruin your paintbrush and it will make it hard. Just telling you, because I had to throw that one away, so great. So one thing that I actually learned from Mariah on her YouTube channel and all her squishy makeover videos is that you need to actually sandpaper the squishies before you put the paint and stuff on so that it sticks onto the squishy and doesn't peel off in the future. Now I'm just taking glue that I would make slime with, and I'm actually just gluing them down. By the way, it ended up not working, so I just took hot glue, even though it's not the best, but it's good enough, people. So then I just painted the macaroon brown. And then I just put paint on top of it. It's this nice blue. And then I put a little bit of brown glitter and sprinkles on top. By the way, when you're painting a squishy, make sure that that it's like puffy paint. With me, I do not own any puffy paint at the moment, which I'm gonna buy some very soon, just so you guys know. But because from the last squishy makeover, I just use acrylic paint on it. That works, but it cracks quicker and doesn't last forever. So make sure that you actually like, you can use acrylic paint, which that's what I'm using, but when you do it, mix in, like, make it like 2 parts puffy paint / you can use slick paint, that's what I use, and then 1 part acrylic paint for color. So yeah, that's how you can do good at it. And I also would like to say that with the ears, like I said before, I hot glued them on, so they weren't perfectly. So I'm actually going to be getting fabric fusion glue very soon. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I used a lot of slick paint on those ears and they still weren't great. So don't get worked up, they look a little chunky, but who cares? Let's just say that these 2 clips are speeded up for a reason. So yes, this was a very big mistake, but don't use hot glue to glue stuff together, especially squishies, because it makes them too hard. Use either fabric paint or slick paint, which I'm going to be using too. So, yeah. This will actually make it easier for me because once I get more slick fabric paint to actually glue the 2 squishies together, I'm gonna need to trim the bottom of the cat squishy to make it fit onto the macaroon better, and so there's not big gaps that I would have to fill with more slick paint. So yeah. You guys, I just found puffy paint that I actually had in a little container. I'm so excited. Yeah, no. no. Yes, that did not work. As you guys just saw, that puffy paint did not work when trying to stick them two squishies together. So I am going to be getting fabric fusion glue. This better be the last fail of this video, hopefully. Fingers crossed, maybe. Pray for me, people. Yes, my dad even tried helping me, which is a fail. Yeah. Okay. So now I am just using my fabric fusion glue and gluing the cat onto the macaroon and sealing it with some white slick fabric paint. Finally, more of my slick fabric paint / puffy paint came, so I'm just starting to paint the cat a nice like red. I actually ended up mixing white puffy paint and that together, and it's like a berry, strawberry color. So now the eyes were like the hardest part ever. I did them like 1,000 times. You do not want to know like why. Like I don't know. They just look like sometimes they look dead a little bit, and then once I would finally get it correct, then it would just look weird. So I ended up just doing this like. I don't really know how to explain it. I just took black and I just traced like where the eyes were before and did the white stuff, and I just added a little green, the same green that I actually made a little nose with. And now I'm taking more of like a teal / mint like leaf green and making like the top of the strawberry, because I'm actually making this cat look like a strawberry cat. Get it? Ha 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 ha. Yeah. And then the frosting on the macaroon is sort of like a blueberry. So that's why I like. So, yeah. I'm just taking the red fabric paint and doing cool designs. I traced the tail to make it look dark. I did like where the foot is. I did where like the chest is, because my cat has a little diamond on it. It's so cute. So I thought I would give this one a little something too. Then I did dots around the mouth area as well. Overall, this is what my squishy turned out to look like. I am just so proud of it. It's just so cute. I love the whole strawberry idea. I love the whole idea of like food and animals, like food animal things. Like, I don't know, they just look so cool. And yeah, I would like to thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you're still watching, please subscribe. Please, okay? And yeah. Oh, and also, go follow me on my Instagram at mvote, and on my slime Instagram at owlslimes or slime owls. And yeah, bye!